Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in the studio I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on your Amazon Fire TV. So you might have something that you want to go and change, like this ninja guy right here. We can go all the way to the right, go to profiles on settings. It's very easy. Go to someone's name now. So let's go to this person and go to edit. And then let's go to the profile icon right here. And what's a good profile for this person? We can go through here and just choose them. Now there's not a whole lot of them, so you're going to have to find something under here. So maybe like this monkey. Let's go to it, save it. And then that person has a new picture. So we can go back, and when we switch profiles, when we log in or something like that, we should be able to see that displayed. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.